Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are talking garage doors, and you are probably watching this because you have an error code 14, and that has to do with a wiring issue. And in this video we want to go out to the garage and show you what you can do to alleviate or fix that error code. Let's take a look. So I'm going to press, and that's what happens. And so what I can do, come back here, and sensor wiring intermittent connection, error code 14, see user manual. I'll try it again. It actually moves and then it'll go back up and continue blinking. So let's go check the actual sensors down below at the bottom. And the lower right portion of the garage open and the lower left portion, those are sensors, and those beams actually have to be directly facing each other and looking each other in the eye. And any interference with this internal laser, basically, it will actually not close. So I'm going to just get all of this stuff off here. Any cobwebs, just kind of clean it off a little bit. And I'm going to do the exact same on the opposite side. It has been very windy the past couple days. This is full of cobwebs, actually. I'll get all of that out of there. Real quick, take a look at that LED light. When it's blinking, that is an indication that your safety reverse sensors are not properly aligned and must be realigned. Scrolling at the top, you'll see a link. Definitely click on that. It runs you through the step-by-step process on how to properly align your safety reverse sensors, both on the left side as well as the opposite side of the garage door. Again, the eyeballs of these lasers are supposed to be facing each other and looking each other in the eye, and if there's any interference in between that beam, basically, this garage door will not close. It could be as simple as a leaf, as you can see here. So let's go back and try it. And what I will do is try to open up the door, and as you can see, I'm getting clicks, and I verified the error code, and I've cleaned the sensors down below, one on the left, one on the right. Now I'm going to hop up to the top, open this carefully, and I'm going to push and hold. This is called your learn button, and by pushing and holding for 5 seconds, it's going to erase the code. There it goes. Light went out, it's no longer illuminated. I will carefully re-secure the cap. I'll go back to the switch and see if it closes. Back to the garage door opener, and let's test it out. Great news. We have properly aligned those safety reverse sensors. That's it, YouTubers. See, a very quick and friendly DIY project. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.